Hey guys, Eddie at Fliptronics. I'm going to be doing an update on the Apple Pay situation with the different stores, accepting payments. There's a pretty wide variety of them right now. If you guys are not familiar too much with the Apple Pay, it's just another way of making payments with their NFC method. A lot of the stores, I'll leave a list on this article and you'll be able to check out more on it, but I'm just going to name some of them. Aeropostale, Babies R Us, BJ's, Bloomingdale's, Champ Sport, Chevron, Extra Mile, Foot Locker, Foot Action, House of Hoops, Kids Foot Locker, Lady Foot Locker, Macy's, McDonald's, Nike, Office Depot, Panera Bread, Petco, Radio Shack, Sports Authority, Subway, Texaco, Toys R Us, Unleashed, Walgreens, Wegmans, Whole Foods. There's also a bunch of grocery store chains accepting the payments. One of the big retailers out there, CVS, will not, go along with this. Honestly, they're just looking at it as a way of, Apple trying to squeeze, percentages on payments made through their stores. So that's why there's a lot of other retailers not, just going along with the flow. It's kind of a hard situation considering that, people are paying so much for these phones nowadays that they kind of expect these retailers to just adopt the trend. But anyways, you guys, that is the update on these stores accepting the payments. I'll definitely continue adding more stores to this article. Stay tuned for more, guys, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.